Nazarena. Welcome to my channel. Yeah, I just want people like, she's been gone for a long time. Where have you been, girl? For a year. It's been a very crazy, busy year for me. Well, globally, the year is coming to an end. But this region where I live, it's the beginning of a new year. We kicked off the new year in September. Weird is that? Very weird, but that's what it is. And yeah, winter is around the corner, and to me, this is where work gets epileptic, kind of, and it gives me more time to research and do more paperwork. So I'll be spending most of my time with this beautiful house. Yes, let's get into today's video. Today we'll be talking about how you can use your Promix product organically. Did somebody just pause and say Promix product organically? Yes. I'll be shedding light on things that you need to know about Promix, how to use your Promix products, and I want to bring Promix product and bleaching products or lightening products that you buy from the market together, and I want to spot out a little bit of difference between Promix and organic, why people prefer to roll with Promix products, but then so many people tend to abuse using Promix product on their skin or using lightening products gotten from the market wrongly on their skin, or they don't know how to go about it. So hence me making this video, because what actually pushed this video to come alive is so many questions that was thrown, and a particular one actually got deep into me, and I just felt like, you know what, I think I need to put out this information for at least my subscribers out there. There's a question that came to me. Somebody asked if my products can actually give a permanent whitening. I found that laughing, but again, I just, I felt there's so many people out there who are misinformed, and hence me doing this video. First and foremost, there's nothing like permanent whitening. As long as you're a melanin skin person, if you're a dark skin person, if you're a brown skin person, and you're living, and your melanocyte still produces melanin, you will get dark anytime you stop using any lightening product. I remember talking about Caro White on my channel, and there was a question, there's several questions that are asked, that has been shown on that particular video. If you've not seen that video, you need to go watch it to understand what I'm about to say today. Somebody said to me, there was a time I used Caro White, it really worked well on me, but when I stopped, I went back to being dark. Yes, you go back to being dark because you've stopped using the lightening products, hence the darkening. Now, let's go into this video properly. What is Promix? Promix is when you get industrial products, branded products from the market, and you whip them up to make a formulation, and you brand it to be your own. Now, why do people actually go for Promix? Or why is this belief that organic do not work? I want to correct that notion today. Organic actually works. It works. But what is the difference between organic and Promix? Organic, it's way more safe to be used on the skin, but it's expensive, rigorous exercise to go through, sometimes accessibility to some things that you need, you might not find them, and it's mentally stressful. You have to go through a lot of things. While making organic, you need to be sure to get your temperatures right, to get your pH in the right range, do your calibration. It's stressful. Promix, on the other hand, it's already made products. You just get them from the market, you look at the composition, you try to multiply or increase the additives in it to make it work fast on the skin. So for Promix, it's easy. You can get the products, you can lay your hands on products easily. It is less stressful. It is cheaper, because all these people producing these creams, companies producing in large quantities, have direct buying from all these companies that manufacture all these powders and what have you. As a small scale person trying to make organic, you have to buy from either a wholesaler, or sometimes you buy from what I call wholesale retailer. They actually buy from probably manufacturers or wholesalers that buy from manufacturers, and they sell to people that retail, and those are the people that will go to buy from to make use. It's so the market is funny getting raw materials if you're a small scale business owner compared to somebody who has a company that just deal directly with the manufacturers. So hence people prefer to go for Promix, and it works faster than Promix. So this is my trick, or this is my advice to you. If you're using a Promix product or a lightening product, learn to rotate. You need to learn how to rotate your creams. You need to learn how to balance everything up. A cream that gave you whitening in 2 weeks, what do you think will happen to your skin when you use it over time? Do you think it's safe? Because some of you are all about searching for recipes. You scout for recipes, but you don't pay attention to learn how to use those recipes, or probably there's not much information given out there. So I just felt like I needed to give this out for people to be guided. It's important to know how to use some certain things. Promix products is not, it's not a product for you to, like a Promix product that says get a lightening in 7 days, get a lightening in 10 days, and after 10 days you keep using it for 20, 30, 50, 3 months. You get to a point where the cream lightens you get hair, it stops working, and the next thing you see is damage. It starts deteriorating. That's what happens. So if you get a Promix product that actually worked for you, you scout for a recipe and you find it working for you, your number 6 should tell you, I think I love my shade now. You need to learn to look at yourself. I've achieved what I want. Start maintaining. If you know how to do your organic lightening cream, then you go for organic and keep maintaining that skin, that tone that you've achieved. And if you do not know how to make your organic base or organic lightening cream, go for Thailand products. They've proven to be safe over years. They've been proven to be safe. So just go for them. Look out for a cream that is that has a plant extract. They're way safer. It will maintain you, and you shield yourself from the sun. Also take a lot of supplements, drink a lot of water. Do you understand? This is how you can rotate your either Promix cream or industrial cream out there you got direct from the market, the likes of Caro White, G&G, for people who like to use cheap creams. They're actually safe. And when you're maintaining your skin, when you're looking for a lotion or a cream to maintain your skin, don't go for all these creams made in our backyards. Please, guys, it's this information is very, very important, because there is nothing organic about those creams. That's the truth. There is nothing organic about that. Do you get my point? So I remember growing up back in the days, we used to have all these big aunties in our streets that used tropical steroids on their skin, and they got this big burn, redness all over. What happened to them? Because they were unable to maintain it or use it properly. If I'm not saying Promix is bad, I'm not saying industrial creams are bad, but you should learn to understand how to use them. Use it and switch. I call them occasional creams. fast action or sharp, you know. You use it to achieve what you want, and you keep maintaining it. You don't use it over time. It's common sense. What, you know, bleached you in 10 days and use it for 20, 30 days, what do you think will happen? Just ask yourself that question and find an answer to it. So it's important you know how to manipulate, you know, use it to start. Like my shade now, I can't be found using another lightning product or what I've achieved. You see, because then it will damage me. So at this point now, I'm just maintaining this one, because this shade that I can maintain. If I drop a shade or 2 shades down, I can decide to go back to that thing that lightened me and use it again to get back to what I look right now. You don't bleach year to year. You'll vanish in it. You want over and over and over again. It doesn't make sense. It makes sense, man. Do you understand? So that's the way to use your Promix product organically. Most of all those cream vendors that will label themselves organic, and you use a cream, in 2 weeks you're already seeing results. You're below. You know, it's a big fat lie. No organic cream will give you a whitening in 2 weeks. For a sensitive skin, the minimum time you will see an organic work on you is in 6 weeks. Then you start seeing people comments like, there's something about your skin, you look fine though, you look nice. I don't know, you're not light, you're not bleaching, but your skin is popping. They don't find the right adjective. They won't tell you that you're white. That's what organic does. It takes you gradually till you get there. It is safer, but it's expensive. Man, all the expensive, very expensive. You will see a powder of 10 grams of reduced glutathione, for instance, for $30 to $60, depending on the grade, because all these powders also have grades. So that's why people don't like to go through the stress of, you know, how do I even know the original powder? They just go for Promix and, you know, put it together. But for people who are into this industry, who are into this cream mixing, and they know what they are doing, you see them, they have a kit, they call it maintenance cream. Best way bleach, you know, so you will maintain. So when you get there, you need to start maintaining. You don't bleach year and year over and over again. Well, no. It's either you get your skin destroyed, or, you know, you land yourself where you're not supposed to be. So let's be guided, guys. Let's be guided. That's what I have to say today. And my next video, I'll be telling you how you can actually be a professional pro mixer. I'll be giving you tips, just tips. I'll just give you tips on how to pro mix your cream, and what you need to know about pro mixing, and how you can, you know, go about your formulations. You know, it's not enough for you to just formulate. You also need to learn how to measure out the ingredients and make sure that they're right. And do you know you also need to check the pH of your Promix products? Some people don't do that. All that I'll be saying in my next skincare talk. So you want to look out for that video. Call your friends who are into this industry or into this Promix of anything, and so work it out for them. I'll be giving you tips on what you need to know. Yeah, trust me. At least this information you will not pay for. So to my next video, guys, keep that glow alive and drink a lot of water. I don't say drink stout too. I don't say you can't drink stout. Drink a lot of water. Keep your skin hydrated. You need to take a lot of liquid into you. You know, it's important. Eat a lot of fruits. It's very, very important you do that. So, have you been watching this channel and yet to subscribe? Click it now. Click that subscribe button below. Click on the notification bell beside it to get notified when I upload a new video. They don't charge money. And when you're not going to go, click it. On to my next video. Keep that going alive, and I'll see you guys. Bye. Peace out.